Hi, in this tutorial, we're going to provide an overview of how to play the Buzzer Up game. So what I have here is the Kendall Hunt Publishing Company web content platform. So you will go to kh.khpcontent.com. Here you will log in with your username and password, and if you haven't set one up yet, go ahead and grab your access code and set up an account. So I'm going to go ahead and sign in. All right, so here is my publication that I am. So it'll show all your publications through Kendall Hunt. This is the one for the Applying Business Concepts. You'll see there's an ebook and a URL link. We're going to go to the URL link. If you want, first you can read the ebook. In the ebook, if you go to the table of contents, you will see that the Buzzer Up game is on page 15. So let's go to page 15. Here it is, page 15. All right, and you can read the story. The story provides a lot of context for you to help you to make decisions in the game. We'll go back to here. Next, go to the URL links. In the URL links, go to the Buzzer Up game. And here it'll pull up. So in the Buzzer Up game, you have to make some decisions. Basically, the premise of the story is that you've created an energy and sports drink. And what you need to do is you need to determine the best price, where to sell it, what locations, what percentage of sales to allocate towards your promotion, how many new flavors to add, and whether or not to use a celebrity endorser. All right, so first you're going to pick a price between $1.50 and $3. What I'm going to do here is just pick some arbitrary numbers just to show you how the game works. So I'm going to pick $2.59. I have 3 locations that I can market to. Currently, this energy drink is only being sold in Minnesota. You can choose to continue to only sell in Minnesota, continue to sell in Minnesota and add California, sell in Minnesota and expand to Texas, or sell in Minnesota and expand to Texas and California. I'm going to choose Texas and California. Next, I need to choose a percentage to allocate towards my promotional budget. So somewhere between 0 and 10% of my sales. I'm going to choose 6%. Right now, I currently only have one flavor, and that's a lemon lime. I can choose to add different flavors, and in the story, it tells you which flavors would be added. I've decided I'm going to add 2 new flavors. And then I need to pick a celebrity endorser. And again, in the story, you'll read about the celebrity endorsers. For this situation, I'm going to choose Alex. All right, so I've made my decisions, and what I'm going to do is click Submit Decision. And here are my results. All right, it shows me my units sold and my sales. All right, so you can see I sold about 61,643 units. My sales were about close to 160,000. My costs were 73,000 just to produce the goods, almost 74, and it cost me $65,000 to expand. I had 9,579 in promotional costs, 10,000 in adding new flavors, and an endorsement fee of 50,000, and I lost money and had a negative profit margin. Now what I can go back and do is say, what decisions do I want to change? Well, maybe I'm going to keep my price, but I'm only going to add California, and I'm only going to add 1 flavor. Let's see if that helps. And then I can submit my decision again. And here you can see I still lost money. And so you can keep trying over and over until you get the results that you want. All right, if you have any questions, please let your instructor know. Please note that there is also a spreadsheet that your instructor has posted that allows you to record your results in that spreadsheet. All right, thank you.